Hello, I am Deepa Bhatt, one of the writers for BMC. In an earlier video on the eZDeploy utility, we noted its benefits and limitations and how you can download it from BMC communities. In this video, we'll see how you can manage eZDeploy profiles. Let's start with what a profile is. A profile is an environment that stores the credentials of a particular user who is authorized to run the eZDeploy commands. You refer to a profile to avoid specifying the user credentials each time you run eZDeploy commands. Let us now take a look at the prerequisites which you must fulfill before you run the eZDeploy utility. Ensure that you install Java Runtime Environment 1.7 on the computer on which you would be running the eZDeploy utility. Set the Java Home Environment variable if it is not already set, and ensure that you have set the NSH directory environment variable according to your environment. Ensure that you have installed the BMC Server Automation console on the same computer on which you would be running the eZDeploy utility. Ensure that you use the BMC Server Automation user that is assigned the BladeLogic administrator role. Ensure that NSH is installed on the computer on which you would be running the eZDeploy utility and the version of NSH matches the BMC Server Automation version that you are using with BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management. After you have changed the environment configuration, you can validate it. To do that, I have logged on to the computer where I have installed eZDeploy. Then, from the eZDeploy prompt, I have executed the validate command. Here, I have specified the hostname, port, username and password of the BMC Remedy AR system server. Make sure that the BMC AR system server user has the administrator and cloud administrator privileges. The validate command checks the BMC Remedy AR system server, the platform manager server, the BMC server automation server and the BMC Atrium orchestrator server. Note that the validate command only checks the environment, and if any of the components are down or not running, the administrator must start them manually. Here we see that the validate command has executed successfully. Now we'll see the various profile commands that you can execute from the command line interface or CLI. Help profile displays help for the profile command. To create a profile, execute the profile add command by specifying a name for the new profile, the host name, port, username and password of the BMC AR system server. Note that before you create an eZDeploy profile, the CLI automatically gets the BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management Platform Manager details, the associated BMC Server Automation details, and the BMC Atrium orchestrator details from the BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management configuration files, but requires the Enterprise AR System Server details as an input. Also make sure that the user creating the profile has AR administrator privileges. Otherwise, you'll face problems during profile creation. Now, we'll view the list of eZDeploy profiles that you created. To do this, run the profile list command. Setting a global profile for an environment saves you from remembering and retyping the profile details each time you execute the eZDeploy import or export commands. To set a particular eZDeploy profile as a global profile, run the profile set command and specify the profile name that you want to mark as global. eZDeploy allows you to have only one global profile for an environment. To delete a particular eZDeploy profile, run the profile delete command and specify the profile name that you want to delete. Let us quickly summarize the various commands that we've seen so far. The validate command checks if your environment is set up to execute eZDeploy utility commands. The help profile command lists help for the profile command. The profile add command allows you to create a new eZDeploy profile. The profile list command shows all the profiles in your environment. The profile set command sets an existing profile as a global profile. And lastly, the profile delete command allows you to delete a profile. For details about the eZDeploy utility and profiles, visit the documentation portal at docs.bmc.com. I hope this video has acquainted you with what an eZDeploy profile is and the various profile commands. Thank you for watching.